pleasant day, everyone. Welcome to Camglish.com, an online teaching guide for Korean students. I'm Teacher Angel, and I will be your teacher today in the NTC's Dictionary of Everyday American English Expressions. Hello there. Are you excited to learn new useful expressions and to enhance your English vocabulary? Well, I'm here to help you with that. So if you can see, we're now in Unit 5 of the book, and we're going to talk about visits. Alright? We're going to have topics related to guests and hosts. In this unit, we're going to know what are the useful expressions we can use in order for us to treat our guests properly, okay? To communicate with them properly. Now, we have here our first topic, asking to visit someone. But before that, let me explain to you what is the meaning of guest and the word host, okay? When we say guest, it's a person who is going to visit your house, alright? And host is probably the owner of the house that is going to entertain the guest, okay? You can also see here, guys, that there are the Korean translations for the words guests and hosts, right? Now, let's go to our first pointer here. On each page, for each lesson, we're going to talk about different pointers, and probably this is one of them. Now, we're going to learn the expressions related to asking to visit someone, okay? These are the sentences we can use whenever we want to ask someone to visit us, alright? Or we want to know if we can visit somebody, okay? Now, I will read each sentence 3 times, and at the 3rd time you have to follow me, okay? Now, let's start. Are you free later today? Are you free later today? It's your turn. Are you free later today? Very good. Next one. Could I come over later today? Could I come over later today? Let's do it faster. Could I come over later today? Very good. Do you mind if I stop by later today? Do you mind if I stop by later today? Do you mind if I stop by later today? Would you mind if I stopped by later? Would you mind if I stopped by later? Would you mind if I stopped by later? Can I come over? Can I come over? Can I come over? Would it be a problem if I dropped by for a few minutes? Would it be a problem if I dropped by for a few minutes? Would it be alright if I dropped by for a few minutes? Would it be alright if I dropped by for a few minutes? Very good, students. Let's go down. Are you busy? Or you can also say, can I come over? Are you busy? Or can I come over? Okay, so if the person will say, oh, I'm not busy, then maybe you can come over, right? Okay, next. When would be a good time for me to come over? When would be a good time for me to come over? When would be a good time for me to come over? When's a good time for you? When's a good time for you? When's a good time for you? I'll be there by 7. I'll be there by 7. I'll be there after dinner. I'll be there after dinner. In the last 2 sentences, It's expressing what time are you going to arrive at the meeting place. Okay? Alright, so if you notice, these are very useful expressions that we can use in our daily conversation, especially if you want someone to invite to our place, or if you want to go to someone's place, okay, and pay a visit. Well, thanks to you all for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. I do encourage you to play this video once again so that you can memorize all the useful sentences. Again, I'm Teacher Angel, and I hope that, we can be together, study together, and I can help you with enhancing your speaking skills. If you want, you can enroll to camglish.com, and if you don't have any idea about it, you can log on to www.camglish.com. So there you will learn how to enroll and to make classes with us. Okay? Goodbye to you and have a nice day.